Hey guys, I'm Voylin and today I will show you how you can type in Japanese on Linux. I'm using Linux Mint, but this should work with all distros of Linux. So let's start by sudo apt-get install Ibus Anthy and okay, Ibus preference alt grave. I have this set from my last time. Then you go to ads, go here, type in Japanese, and then you select Anthy. I already did that, so it's standing here already. Then you go to your settings and go to input methods. By input methods, select Ibus and click on install by Japanese. This may take some time. Go to language support, click install remove and install the Japanese language. And select the UTF-8 install. And select Japanese, install language packs. This doesn't take too long. Okay, and when that is all done, you can close everything. So, and normally you will have to restart, but because I basically restarted it, but because I restarted my PC already, I can already type in Japanese. And if I want to switch to Japanese, I use my shortcuts, or you can press here and select Japanese. And then you type again like you will normally type. Ohayo gozaimasu. And that's how you install the Japanese language on your laptop, PC, on Linux. The good thing about this is Anthy makes sure that you're still using your own keyboard layout, that you don't suddenly you have an AZERTY keyboard and suddenly you type in QWERTY. That's not possible. So thank you all for watching and have fun typing in Japanese. Bye bye.